Hello everyone, I am Apurva Das from Department of Textile and Fiber Engineering, IIT Delhi. Our new course is Technical Textile. This Technical Textile, this course is basically for UG and PG students. It is typically an elective course for BE, BTech, ME or MTech, or if department wants they can have it as core course, and duration of this course is 12 weeks, typically 32 hours. So, what is technical textiles? So, it is defined as textile material and products used primarily for their technical performance and functional properties rather than aesthetic or decorative characteristics. For apparel or home furnishing, we use aesthetic and decorative parameters, but for technical textiles basically it is meant for performance and functional properties. So, what is the importance of the course? This course actually targets the specific areas. We are not going to discuss entire gamut of technical textiles. Well, it is not possible in one single course, but we will discuss here specific areas of technical textiles depending on their product characteristics, functional requirements and application. These are the things we will discuss here, and the students at the end of this course will be able to appreciate the vast scope of technical textiles in various sectors. So, in this entire course we will cover, initially we will start with the overall understanding of technical textiles, then we will go to the specific areas. There are typically 11 areas here we will discuss. I will discuss first the fiber reinforced composites, that is the composite where we use textile material. Then next topic is filter fabrics. After that we will discuss geotextiles. Next protective clothing from extreme cold or extreme heat protective clothing. Sports textiles. Sports textiles are highly technical textile. We will discuss all these different issues related to sports textiles. UV protective textiles, ballistic protective textiles. Next is compressional bandage. It is nowadays the importance of compression bandage is actually picking up. Then automotive textiles, where usage of textile materials are in large quantity, we will discuss all these issues. Then nonwoven hygiene products. So, all these areas we will discuss one by one during this course, and we will discuss, basically we will cover basic understanding in these areas, then classifications based on maybe application of fiber, manufacturing process. So, these classifications we will discuss. Then manufacturing methods, so specific manufacturing methods are required for specific particular technical textiles. Then characterization, that is testing methods of this technical textile we will discuss, but this aspect we will discuss in short, because in NPTEL there is another full course, 8 weeks course, where I have discussed the testing of functional and technical textiles separately. So, here also we will discuss to complete the total course, and after that the few research areas we will discuss, research results we will discuss here to understand the relationship between the parameters and characteristics. Thank you.